Eurovision composer. Which I've been making an entry song. I've been entered the contest. I remember the song's called Down in Slow Motion, and I'm very good to the song. I was so used, and a very good job for for on YouTube, and I've been for million views. Today in this video, we will do the let's do. Pause, huh? Yo creo que no van a poner. Crying emotions to host the 2024 show song and official song. Get down, down. We just finish them. Featuring the budget of the video of the music video. Now we can play the music video. Music and music. Okay, we were ready. Ready. The first thing. Ready. Ready. On your mark. Get it. Go. So we wrestling. Oh. Congratulations. Race. Composer. Yes. Alright. Yeah.
Papa John's way. Their way. Our secret ingredient. And theirs. You see, most pizza delivery chains use dehydrated paste to make their sauce. Papa John's uses sauce made from vine-ripened tomatoes the day of pizza, then sent on to our stores. We believe better ingredients make a better pizza. That's why there's everyone else's pizza and Papa John's. Get a large Papa John's perfect Italian sausage pizza and breakfast for just $3.99.
Bottom of the ocean holds over 2,000 species.
That ain't natural.
Why settle for square when you could have the new Alaskan Flounder from Long John Silver's? It's a real hand-cut fillet and comes in a basket for $2.99. Only at Long John Silver's.
Whoa, looking for something that's too good to be true? Well, Applebee's Neighborhood Grill and Bar is serving up some terrific combos, each just $7.99. Like riblets and steak, it's too tasty. Or riblets and grilled chicken, too tantalizing. Even riblets and chicken fingers or wings. Man, they're all too much. Not to mention too good to be true. Right now, only at Applebee's.
What gives Wendy's new Pepper Jack Bacon Cheeseburger that spicy hit everybody loves? The quarter pound of fresh beef, the bacon, the perfect sauce, or the slice of Pepper Jack cheese?
Gotta be the cheese.
Wendy's new Pepper Jack Bacon Cheeseburger. It is the cheese.
Yes.